Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. And for today's lesson, I'm gonna be teaching you how to express like and dislike in Nihongo sentence together with its present and past tense. First of all, I'd like to walk you through the different pronunciation and the different translations of these Nihongo words that we're going to use in constructing Nihongo sentence. First is like, ski. Take note of the pronunciation. We need to drop letter U, or let's make it a silent U and just pronounce S and ki. So like is ski. Don't like is ski janai. Let's repeat. Don't like is ski janai. Don't is janai or dewa arimasen. I'll repeat. Don't is janai or we may use dewa arimasen. Hate is kirai. I'll repeat. Hate is kirai. We will also be using ga, which is a particle that will be placed before the word like or hate. For past tense, liked, we will just be adding deshta to ski. So liked, the past tense is ski deshta. I'll repeat, liked, ski deshta. Didn't like is ski dewa arimasen deshta. For didn't, we only added dewa arimasen deshta. So didn't like is ski dewa arimasen deshta. And for our first example, I like flowers, we will be using this pattern in constructing a sentence. In this sentence, we will also be using flowers, which is hana in Nihongo. So the pattern will be pronoun wa plus noun plus ga plus ski plus des. So for pronoun, we have I or watashi wa followed by the noun, which is hana or the flowers, followed by the particle ga, followed by ski, which is like, and the last one is des. So I like flowers is watashi wa hana ga suki desu. I'll repeat. I like flowers is watashi wa hana ga suki desu. Another example is the past tense of like, which is liked. This time, to make it past tense, we only need to add deshta to ski. So I like flowers is watashi wa hana ga suki deshita. I'll repeat. I like flowers is watashi wa hana ga suki deshita. Another example is the use of don't. So from the word like, which is ski, we only added janai to make it ski janai, which means don't like, or we may use ski dewa arimasen. So I don't like flowers is watashi wa hana ga suki janai desu. I'll repeat. I don't like flowers is watashi wa hana ga suki janai desu. Or we may use dewa arimasen. Watashi wa hana ga suki dewa arimasen instead of janai desu. I'll repeat. For don't, we may use janai or dewa arimasen. Another way of translating I don't like flowers aside from watashi wa hana ga suki janai desu is watashi wa hana ga suki dewa arimasen. So we just added dewa arimasen instead of janai. Another example is a past tense of don't like, which is didn't like. So from the word like, which is ski, we just added dewa arimasen deshita. So I didn't like flowers is watashi wa hana ga suki dewa arimasen deshita. I'll repeat. I didn't like flowers is Watashi wa hana ga suki wa arimasen deshita. Our next example is using the word hate. Hate in Nihongo is kirai. Again, we will also be using flowers for our noun, which is hana. I hate flowers using the pattern in Nihongo is Watashi wa hana ga kirai desu. I'll repeat. I hate flowers in Nihongo is Watashi wa hana ga kirai desu. Another example is the use of like, and instead of noun after the word like, we will be using another pronoun in this sentence. I like him. So using this pattern, pronoun wa plus pronoun instead of noun, plus ga, the particle, plus ski, which is like, and des. So I like him is Watashi wa kare ga suki desu. I'll repeat. I like him is Watashi wa kare ga suki desu. Our next example is the past tense liked together with two pronouns I and him. To make like a past tense, we only need to add deshita to ski. So it will become suki deshita. I liked him in Nihongo is Watashi wa kare ga suki deshita. I'll repeat. I liked him in Nihongo is Watashi wa kare ga suki deshita. Another example is the use of don't. So don't like is iski janai, or we may use iski de wa arimasen. So if we translate I don't like him, it will be Watashi wa kare ga suki janai, or we may use de wa arimasen. So if we use de wa arimasen, it will be Watashi wa kare ga suki de wa arimasen. I'll repeat. I don't like him is Watashi wa kare ga suki de wa arimasen. Next is the use of past tense didn't like. We will only be adding de wa arimasen deshita to ski to make it ski de wa arimasen deshita. So if we try to translate I didn't like him, it will be Watashi wa kare ga suki de wa arimasen deshita. I'll repeat. I didn't like him is Watashi wa kare ga suki de wa arimasen deshita. Another example is the use of hate and him. So if we translate I hate him, of course, we already know that hate in Nihongo is kirai. It will be Watashi wa kare ga kirai desu. I'll repeat. I hate him in Nihongo is Watashi wa kare ga kirai desu. Next is the use of don't with the word hate. This time, we only need to add de wa arimasen or janai. So I don't hate him in Nihongo is Watashi wa kare ga kirai de wa arimasen. I'll repeat. I don't hate him is Watashi wa kare ga kirai de wa arimasen. In this example, we use didn't, which is a past tense of don't. So from the hate, we added de wa arimasen deshita for didn't. So if we translate I didn't hate him, it will be Watashi wa kare ga kirai de wa arimasen deshita. I'll repeat. I didn't hate him in Nihongo is Watashi wa kare ga kirai de wa arimasen deshita. Thank you so much for watching this video and for listening to this lesson, and I hope by this time you already know how to express like and dislike in Nihongo sentence. And if you have any question, please write it in the comment box down below. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my new videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye!